Hi everyone, I am Shantae Sunny Jordan, your transformational coach. I am so excited that you're on this journey with me as I myself am transforming, reinventing, and improving who I am. Oh yes, there is always room for improvement, and that's the first step, acknowledging that you need to improve. Let me tell you a little bit about reinventing yourself. Reinventing yourself doesn't mean that you have to go and change totally who you are and become someone new. No, it means that you become new by improving who you already are. Because I believe that everyone has everything that they need inside of them, but the thing that's really truly missing is the fact that we don't take time sometimes to just see who we are. So reinventing yourself may be coming out of your shell of shyness, or it may be changing the type of friends you hang out with, or it may just simply be introducing yourself to a new group of people so that you can learn something new about yourself. Now, if you think back to when you got your first cell phone, you remember, well, for me, it was the Ericsson cell phone. This was big block phone. I mean, it was huge. But I knew I was in style. I was like, oh yeah, I got my cell phone. I'm doing this. People calling me. I'm on the phone. Then all of a sudden, I see people texting. How quickly does technology evolve? Now, the whole point of the phone is to bring communication, correct? It still was the same. People were talking to one another and communicating, but the thing that changed the most was it evolved into something better. It became better. And that's what you have to do. You have to evolve and want to become better. It's not that you're changing you completely from who your grandma knew you as, Susu, cousin Susu, Frou, whoever you are. It's not that you're changing that. It's not. It's actually changing your mindset to think of yourself as being a better person, being better aware, and being capable of just simply being who God made you to become. So just like the cell phone, you have to first begin to assess where it is that you need to develop yourself at. Maybe it's in your communication. Maybe it's the way that you think about yourself. Maybe it's your work ethic. Whatever it is, I believe that you have to be honest with yourself. Once you're honest with yourself, you can begin to improve upon that. I don't want you to forget that you have some great things going on with you right now. Remember, write those things down. What are your strengths? What are you great at? What has your girlfriend told you that she wish she could do, but you know she can't do it because she's not you? That's what you need to tune into. Now, I want you to think about those things. That's the first step in beginning the process of reinventing who you are. Simply being honest with who you are, where you are in your life right now, and assessing your strengths, and simply being really real with who you are and where you want to be. Now, follow me for day 3. You can make sure you check me out on www.sunnyjordan.com, as well as you can tweet me, The Sunny Jordan, and follow me on Facebook, Sunny Jordan. I look forward to speaking with you. And remember to always shine your light.